Hello everyone. Today the discussion topic is spleen and stomach. Again, this is a place where I would like to have a discussion with fellow practitioners about our best practices, experience that we have gained in clinic, and any knowledge that any fellow practitioners are willing to share. And please also send your comment to my proposed topic as well. And today's topic is the importance of spleen and stomach. For an experienced practitioner, when we look at a patient, when we assess their health and longevity, probably the most important thing that we look at is the health of the spleen and the stomach. P-way. Once the stomach is hurt, all 5 channels have no qi. This is said by a famous Ming Dynasty practitioner. Now, as we can see how important the spleen and stomach are for the 5 zangfu. When spleen stomach is hurt, again, we are talking about spleen splash stomach, and as we all know in our medicine that we talk about P-way as one unit. When P-way is hurt, all 5 zangfu are hurt. All the zangfu are hurt. Strengthening P-way is the first step to prevent cancer. There are more and more methods of treating cancer today. More and more options are widely available. In Chinese medicine, we talk about the health of stomach slash spleen. Spleen is strong, then the health is strong. Spleen is weak, then our health will be weak. The dampness is rooted in the spleen. From the angle of Chinese medicine, chronic dampness has a very important root, that is the dysfunction of spleen. Spleen is of utmost importance to the health of the heart. In the process of a heart disease development, phlegm, stasis, dampness accumulate. It directly prevents the spleen healthy function. In coronary artery disease patients, we have seen a daily intake of aspirin and other biomedicine. These treatments and biomedicine has certain degree of influence on our spleen. And we always encourage to monitor the health of the spleen during intake of biomedicine. Spleen is also critical to the health of the skin. Once past age 35, women's Yang channels start going downhill. It manifests in fatigue, in the health of the skin, wrinkles. Yangming is the channel of spleen, stomach. Yellow is the corresponding color. When this channel is experiencing difficulty, we will see yellow deposit in color of yellowness in patient's face. How do we strengthen the health of spleen? Number one, do not overeat. Spleen is the basic of post-heaven qi, the basic of post-heaven health. When we overeat, when we indulge in eating food that is spicy, that is salty, we indulge in alcohol, sweets. These eating habits tend to damage spleen. Secondly, eat less cold. Stomach likes warmth, not cold. Kidney likes warmth, not cold. Coldness and cold food make the greatest damage to the stomach. And our qi and xue, our qi and blood, nutrition, and many aspects of our health are highly dependent on the movement of spleen and stomach qi. Thirdly, we want to exercise regularly. Exercising is critical to the health of the spleen. For people who do regular exercise, we of course notice that these people would have qi move regularly and in a healthy rhythm throughout their bodies. And when we are exercising, we can massage our spleen stomach channel up and down along the legs, and repeat the massage up and down to help the recovery and the pre-warming exercise, and this will help the stomach spleen channel coordinate with our exercise. Number 4 is we must eat grain. And in modern diet, we tend to skip grain. A lot of people tend to skip grain in their diet today. Grain is critical to the health of the spleen and stomach. Number 5, good mood enhance the health of the spleen. When we're in good spirit, our spleen is healthy, and it feeds back to a healthy body and a healthy mind. And in the following session, we will discuss a couple of techniques to treat spleen and stomach issues in clinic. We will go into more depth on the spleen and stomach health. Thank you very much for listening, and I will talk to you next time.